Standards Department. I'm sorry I can't take your call at the moment. If you could leave your name and number after the beep, I'll contact you as soon as I can. Thanks.
When you finish recording, please hang up or press the hash key for more options.
Hi Sergeant, this is Kevin Addison Smith. This is the 11th of the 2nd, 2017. It's 10:40. Now, I have, since the 20th of September, been unsuccessfully reporting aggravated burglaries, assaults, and, well, by myself, onto my home dwelling by police officers. Police officers falsifying arrest times, just an awful lot. Now, it's been sent to yourselves and nobody seems to be acting on it. Now, there are expected response times to certain crimes like the aggravated burglaries. These are proven by the likes of my psychiatrists. Have seen the phone records where officers, yourselves are the only ones that have, well, I've been in custody. You have held me for alleged offences, right, and then used my case while in custody. I enter my premises before then going on to charge me. So you have broken in and then charged me, right? But you have used all my utilities, you have stolen stuff. Now this has been reported numerous times. I've actually been sort of like arrested for trying to get criminal reference numbers in relation to your aggravated, well, the police's aggravated burglaries to my premises, and it's led to 2 successive arrests after the first burglary. Now, the first arrest, that was actually just seeking on the 26th information in relation to securing crime reference numbers against the police, which everybody seems reluctant to give, as I've got other recordings to prove. I'm recording this one as well. So it's really just, Sergeant, just to get an idea when you'll be phoning me back, when action will be taken by professional standards into these matters, and when the officers involved, who you'll know. It's easy enough to find out, because there was 6 officers that arrived at my premises in the second arrest, 6 officers in the third. The times of arrest are all falsified. I was kept over the prescribed times. I was refused all my legal rights. It was meant to have a responsible adult. Wasn't given access to that, medication or anything whilst incarcerated. It's been a nightmare. I've been assaulted. It's this. When are you actually? I've been emailing you to PSD at, and I've also been informing 101 staff, and nobody's ever got in contact with me. Sergeant, that's 4 months on. Now, who do you make a complaint to if professional standards aren't actually doing anything? Now, again, I would rather you contacted me by email. I'm on KEVIN